we have a 4-axis Mori vertical machining center, model DURACENTER 5, serial number DC005DG0071. Machine was new in 2004. It has a Mori-Seiki MSX 501 FANUC control. We're going to run it for you. Machine has FANUC drives and FANUC motors. That's your Z. You have 20.1 inches of Z. X, 31.5 inches of X. Y, 20.1 inches of Y. Machine has a 43.3 by 23.6 inch table, and you also have a TSUDAKOMA 4th axis rotary table. And we're going to run the spindle. The spindle has 12,000 RPM. It's a Cat 40 with a 40 taper, Cat 40 with 20 ATC. That's 2,500 RPM. 5,000 RPM. 7,500 RPM, going up. 10,000 RPM. Spindle is nice and quiet. Simulating a tool change. And put the tool back. All right, hey, you've seen all the axes move. You saw the spindle turn up to 10,000 RPM, and you've seen it simulate a tool change. Thank you for watching our video.